Heading towards Tomorrowland. Had to go on the Star Tours ride. I think it's like a 3 or 4D ride that we travel through space.
Attention please. All droids leaving the system must be cleared by customs control. Proof of ownership is required for all droid passengers.
Proof of ownership? We droids are made to suffer such indignities.
Hi there! Welcome aboard!
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe.
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain? Glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so of course to be with us. And thank you
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh!
Don't shoot!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am C-3PO.
We know you have this rebel spy on. Don't underestimate my power. I want that spy.
Someone could get hurt! Thrusters, are they important?
Star Tours, this is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh, no! We've been hit! Brace yourself! Nobody move! I mean everybody move! Lean back! Do not leave! Oh, do something! The transmission.
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion into your star speeder. You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Star Tours. You're my only hope.
Only hope. What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour? Shields up, I wasn't programmed for this! Asteroids! Maker.
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe?
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We are on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. And thank you for flying Star Tours.